Good morning. Today we're going to work on word problems dealing with perimeter. We're going to do the problem set. We're going to do numbers 1, 2, and 3 together, and you're going to do 4, 5, and 6 on your own. So let's look at number 1 first. Mrs. Gonslow put a border around a 5-foot by 6-foot rectangular bulletin board. How many feet of border did Miss Gonslow use? Okay, keyword around. So that tells us we're going to do perimeter. So first thing we're going to do is draw a picture of a rectangle. And then it says 5-foot by 6-foot bulletin board. So that means this is 5 foot and this is 6 foot. 5 foot, 6 foot. And it wants to know how many feet of border did Mrs. Gonslow use. So what we're going to do is say 6 plus 5 plus 6 plus 5. And we're going to add 6 and 5 together. We get 11. Then 6 and 5 together. We get 11. And then we add 11 and 11. And we get 22 feet. So, Mrs. Gonzalo write our sentence. Mrs. Gonzalo uses 22 feet of border. And that's how we solve the first problem. So we read, draw, and write. Okay, number 2. Jason built a model of the Pentagon for a social studies project. He made each outside wall 33 centimeters long. What is the perimeter of Jason's model Pentagon? So Pentagon has 5 sides. Okay, they're each 33. A pentagon, my pentagon is not evenly, sides aren't even, but if you had one put in, each side measures the same. So we put 33. You can say 33 times 5, or we can go 33 plus 33 5 times. And remember, this is in centimeters. So 5 times 3 is 15. So put your 5 down, carry your 1. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. So the perimeter is 165 centimeters. So Jason's model pentagon is 165 centimeters. And that you write a sentence. Okay, number 3. The Holmes family plants a rectangular 8-yard by 9-yard vegetable garden. How many yards of fencing do they need to put a fence around the garden? So it's another rectangle. And it's 8 yards by 9 yards. So across at the top will be 9 and the sides will be 8. So you're going to say 8 plus 9 plus 8 plus 9 and equal. 8 and 9 is 17 plus 8 and 9 is 17. 17 and 17 is 34. So it's 34 yards. So it wants to know how many yards of fencing do they need to put a fence around the garden. They need 34 yards of fencing, and that would be your sentence. Now you make sure you do 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Make sure you read, draw, and write. Thank you. And I'll see y'all at 11 for our meeting. We're going to talk about adjectives.